Problem 12. So Melanie computes the mean, the median, and the modes of the 365 values that are the dates in the month of 2019. Thus, her data consists of 12 ones, 12 twos, 12 threes, 12 fours, blah, blah, up to 12 27s, 12 28s, and then 11 29s because of February dropping out, 11 30s, and then only 7 31s. Let D be the median of the modes. Which of the following statements is true? So let's write this out algebraic. Actually, first, okay. The first thing to do is find the median. You can find the median very easily because, or not easily, you can find the median explicitly. That's how I should say it. The value of the median is explicit, and it's pretty important that you get it right. Because, so the median, it should be the 183rd smallest value. And so 183 equals 12 times 15 plus 3, which means that the 183rd will be a 6. It's going to be a 6 because there's the 15 sets of 12 before it. So the 12 ones all the way up to the 12 15s. That's the first 180. And then the 183rd will be the third, not 6, 16. Will be the third 16. And so that means that M equals 16. And the next easiest thing to do is find the D. Now let's find D. So D is the median of the modes, and the modes are going to be everything that appears 12 times. So that's going to be 1 through 28, which means that D is the median of these. And so the median of these values is going to be 14 plus 15 over 2, which equals 14.5. And lastly, we need to find the mean. So you might end up noting that like M is equal to like the average of 12 ones, 12 twos, all the way up to 12 31s. And D is equal to the average of 12 ones, 12 twos, all the way up to 12 28s. You might notice that, and then mu is equal to the average of like the actual thing of like 12 ones all the way up to like 7 31s. And you can, based on this, you can convince yourself that D is less than mu, which is less than M. Oops. Why is this? Well, you get from D to mu by adding like a bunch of 29s, 30s, and 31s to the averaging thing. So D is less than mu. And you get from mu to M by filling out the last couple of 31s. And so that means that, yeah, as you add like 31s on the high end, the average will go up. So D is less than mu, which is less than M. And that's this choice over here. I think the hardest, like the most important thing here is to get capital M, because if you can't get that, then everything else is a lot more complicated. Because M doesn't have a nice algebraic formula, so you have to go manually do it first.